Kevin T. Campbell. Lieutenant General Kevin T. Campbell was the commander of the U.S. Army Space and Missile Defense Command from December 2006 to December 2010, replacing Lieutenant General Larry J. Dodgen. In October 2011, Campbell began working for Northrop Grumman Corporation as Vice President and Corporate Lead Executive CLE for company business after retiring from the Army. Campbell graduated from Worcester State College in 1973 with a Bachelor of Science degree. He received his commission into the Air Defense Artillery branch that same year. In 1982, he earned a master's degree in personnel management from the University of New Hampshire. His military education includes the Air Defense Artillery Officer Basic and Advanced courses, the Nike-Hercules Officer Course, Ranger and Airborne Schools, the Army Command and General Staff College, and the Naval War College. General Campbell's previous assignments include Chief of Staff, United States Strategic Command off Air Force Base, Nebraska, Director of Plans, United States Space Command, Deputy Commanding General, United States Army Air Defense Artillery Center and Fort Bliss, Texas, Commanding General, 32nd Army Air and Missile Defense. Awards and decorations. General Campbell's decorations and awards include the Legion of Merit, Bronze Star Defense Meritorious Service Medal, Meritorious Service Medal with Oak Leaf Cluster, Army Commendation Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Army Achievement Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Southwest Asia Service Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Kuwait Legion of Merit, Bronze Star Defense Meritorious Service Medal, Meritorious Service Medal with Oak Leaf Cluster, Army Commendation Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Army Achievement Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Southwest Asia Service Medal with 3 oak leaf clusters, Kuwait Liberation Medal, Kuwait Liberation Medal, Ranger Tab, Parachutist Badge, Fist Badge,